Game design. Game design is the process of creating the content and rules of a game, including its overall structure, gameplay mechanics, and user experience. It involves the integration of various elements such as story, characters, visuals, audio, and interactivity to provide players with an engaging and enjoyable experience. Game designers aim to balance challenge and skill, maintain player interest, and create a sense of immersion within the game world. Here are some key aspects of game design. Conceptualization. Define the core idea and theme of the game. What is the main goal, and what experience do you want players to have? Game mechanics. Design the rules and interactions that govern how the game works. This includes player actions, feedback, and the overall flow of the game. Story and characters. Develop a compelling narrative and interesting characters that fit into the game world. This can greatly enhance the player's emotional connection to the game. Visual and audio design. Create the visual and auditory elements of the game. This includes graphics, animations, sound effects, and music, all of which contribute to the game's atmosphere. Prototyping. Build a prototype or a minimum viable product to test and iterate on your ideas. This helps in refining the gameplay and identifying potential issues. User interface, UI, and user experience, UX, design the interface that players will interact with. Ensuring a smooth and intuitive user experience is crucial for player engagement. Testing and iteration. Playtest the game extensively to gather feedback. Use this feedback to make necessary adjustments and improvements. Balancing. Fine-tune the game to ensure a balance between difficulty and enjoyment. This includes adjusting the challenge level, rewards, and pacing. Creating your own video game concepts. If you want to create your own video game concepts, here are some steps to guide you. Define your vision. Clearly articulate the concept and vision of your game. What is the unique selling point or the main idea that sets your game apart? Identify your target audience. Consider who your game is intended for. This influences the design choices, themes, and complexity of the game. Choose a genre. Decide on the genre of your game, e.g., action, adventure, strategy, simulation. This will help shape the overall design and mechanics. Create a game design document, GDD. Develop a detailed document that outlines all aspects of your game, including the story, characters, gameplay mechanics, art style, and more. This serves as a blueprint for your project. Sketch or use visual tools. Create rough sketches or use visual tools to represent your game ideas. This can include concept art, level designs, and character sketches. Start small. If you're new to game design, consider starting with a smaller project. This allows you to gain experience and learn the basics before tackling larger, more complex games. Learn game development tools. Familiarize yourself with game development tools such as Unity, Unreal Engine, or other platforms that suit your project. These tools make it easier to bring your concepts to life. Prototype your ideas. Build a simple prototype to test your game mechanics and concepts. Prototyping helps you identify what works and what needs improvement. Gather feedback. Share your prototype with others and gather feedback. Use this information to refine and enhance your game concept. Iterate and refine. Game design is an iterative process. Be prepared to make changes and refinements based on feedback and your own observations. Remember, creating a video game involves a combination of creativity, technical skills, and perseverance. Start with a clear vision, stay open to feedback, and enjoy the process of bringing your game concepts to life.